Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if you are seeing the message OTR edit range not configured while trying to edit your SSC OTR details, then this video is for you. So, recently, many SSC candidates have reported that when they try to edit their one time registration details, the portal displays the error message OTR edit range not configured. This error usually indicates that the SSC portal has not enabled the editing window for OTR details at the moment. In some cases, it can also occur due to temporary server issues, maintenance activities, or backend update on the SSC website. To resolve this problem, try the following steps. First, refresh the SSC portal and log in again. 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. 3. Try using a different browser such as Chrome or Edge. 4. Access the website during the non-peak hours. 5. Check for any official SSC notifications regarding OTR editing. If the issue is from SSC side, candidate may need to wait until the portal configured is updated. In most cases, such errors are resolved automatically after some time. So this is the latest information regarding the SSC OTR edit range not configured problem. And if you are still facing the issue, keep checking the SSC portal regularly for updates. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.